friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious nopales and chile colorado that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this amazing and delicious recipe of nopales. These are my ingredients. I have queso panela, of course, the star, the nopales, chili California pods, 1 chili pasilla pod, onion, tomato, garlic cloves, salt, chicken bouillon. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and amazing nopales and chile colorado. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready the chile colorado. I have 4 tomatoes, 4 chile California, and 1 chile pasilla. And I'm only removing the stems. Look at this. You want to start by making this amazing chile colorado. 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves and enough water. And we are going to take it to the stove and start cooking and getting soft and mushy the tomatoes and the chili pods. Look at this. Let me tell you, this recipe really comes out delicious every time. So we're going to leave it here while we get the rest of the ingredients ready. I have 1 whole cheese of panela. Remember to use panela cheese. This is going to get nice and roasted on your pan and it's not going to fall apart. Look at this. I really love cheese, and if you follow me for so many years, you know that I am a fanatic for cheese. And the queso panela really looks amazing when it's really golden brown. So now let's go to the stove. On the pan, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And now I am ready to add the pieces of the panela cheese. We are going to cook for about 2 minutes on each side. You really want to get the cheese nice and roasted, and you're going to see the amazing color. Look at this. This is really going to give your nopales and the chile colorado such a delicious and amazing flavor. Well, when they're nice and roasted just like this, you are ready to put them aside, take them off the stove, put them on a plate, and on the same pan, you're going to continue adding the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. This just looks amazing, and I'm ready to remove every single one. I'm not going to pile them right on top. I'm just going to put them side by side so they don't stick because they're still nice and hot. And here I am ready to start preparing the onion. I have 1/4 of an onion that I'm just going to slice away. You decide if you want the onion to be thick, if thin. You decide. I really want the onion to just be almost the same size of the nopales. Look at this. I have all my ingredients ready. How to cook your nopales. You get your nopales, you add enough water, you add 1 bay leaf, salt, garlic, and a bunch of cilantro. You cook it for about 10 minutes and then you remove the liquid. And now I am ready to make this sauce. I added everything that I have on the pan, and I added 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. I am going to blend completely until it's nice and incorporated. On the same pan, I added the onion, and I am going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion starts releasing the aroma and the flavor. Once the onion starts releasing the aroma, I am ready to continue and add the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. You want to use the same pan because you want all those drippings. Now I am ready to sift the chile colorado. I am sifting the chile colorado because I didn't remove the seeds. So what I'm doing is just sifting it really good. And this is what you don't want in your amazing chile colorado. You don't want this. So I'm going to put it aside and then I'm ready to start adding the rest of the ingredients. Very easy to prepare. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, incorporate it really good, and then you're ready to add your nopales. Once you add your nopales, incorporate it really good, and then add your queso panela right on the top. Cook it for about 3 more minutes, and then you're ready to enjoy this amazing and delicious Mexican recipe. If you love nopales like I do, you're going to love this recipe. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And now I am ready to enjoy these amazing nopales, cheese, and chile colorado with a delicious steamed rice. Look at this. Your mouth is watering. Make this amazing recipe. You're going to love it. And now I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing nopales with cheese and chile colorado. Look at this. Of course, I added some rice, and let's taste this amazing recipe. Excuse me. So delicious. The cactus is so juicy and delicious, and the combination of the cheese, let me tell you, just perfection. Amazing. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you like and love this amazing nopales con queso and chile colorado, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing recipe. Nopales with cheese and chile colorado. See you soon. Bye-bye.